Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at this fabulous Patek Philippe 3738 Golden Ellipse. Now this is traditionally a men's watch, but with so many other men's watches, women are definitely wearing it and pulling it off really well. And this one really shows off how you can get a really simple and elegant design from a really well-respected and elite brand. Patek Philippe shows off how they can make these really bespoke and elegant pieces so simple because they design them so well. It's such a flattering shape, this golden ellipse shape. It looks great, and like I said, the simplicity is a real big bonus in this instance because it just adds to this really soft and warm tone that you would like to wear and really pair with everything in your closet. This has this gorgeous brown leather strap. It's made of this beautiful soft 18 karat rose gold, which is so flattering. Again, this color is just such a big color right now for jewelry, so if you're someone who has a lot of rose gold jewelry and wants a watch to match, or if you're someone who actually doesn't have a lot of jewelry and just wants something that's really super flattering, this one would definitely work. It's got this beautiful rich brown dial and these really simple stick hour markers. It's a manual line movement, so if you are a movement fan or if you know anything about Patek Philippe, you know that their movements are some of the best and most elegantly made. And if you are just a fan of very simple watches that you can pick up and wind every morning and just wear, this one would definitely be right up your alley. So if you're a lady looking for a really fabulous, elite, and bespoke watch, or if you're a man who is looking for the same, you should definitely check out this watch and our entire Patek Philippe collection because we have a lot of amazing golden ellipses in stock. They are in stock right now and ready to ship at SwissWatchExpo.com.